Hi everyone, my name is Snorella and I'm ambassador for the AIDS Healthcare Foundation, and I'm an Amsterdam-based drag queen. If you ask me who I represent, I would say I represent everybody who loves freedom, socially as well as sexually. If you ask me how I learned about HIV, it must have been when I was about 10 years old enough to watch the news with the adults in my family before going to bed. And the news would tell stories about children in Africa and their mothers dying from this mysterious disease spreading all over the world. But when I really realized that it was closer than I could imagine was in 1991 when Freddie Mercury announced that he had AIDS. How HIV entered my personal life. That was when I was 18. I fell in love with this wonderful guy. I packed my bag and went to Amsterdam for a weekend to spend with him. When I came in, he said to me, "Sit down on the couch, I have to tell you something important." And that's when he told me that he was HIV positive. And immediately after, he asked me if he should buy me a taxi back to the station. And I said, "No, I'm here for you. And how awful must it be for you? Or how do you deal with it?" And this totally surprised him because the stigma on HIV/AIDS is still very big. If you ask me what the parallel is between COVID-19, Corona and HIV/AIDS, is that a lot of people think it's something that they will not get. It's something you see on the news. It's something not in your personal life. But now Corona is creeping and coming closer. Everybody knows somebody who has it. And maybe that's also the situation with HIV/AIDS. If you want to take your health seriously, wear a mouth cap or use a condom or use other medication that prevent you from spreading or getting. It's so important not to forget the worldwide pandemic that HIV/AIDS still is. So my message would be aware or be square.